The world watched in horror as flames engulfed Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris on April 15, 2019. The iconic spire collapsed, and for a moment, it seemed as if centuries of history might be lost forever. But from the ashes of that devastating fire, a remarkable story of rebirth began to unfold. Notre Dame Cathedral has stood as a symbol of French culture and Christianity for over 800 years. Construction began in 1163 and took nearly 200 years to complete. The cathedral has survived wars, revolutions, and the ravages of time, becoming one of the most visited landmarks in the world. The 2019 fire caused extensive damage to the cathedral. The roof was almost entirely destroyed, the spire collapsed, and parts of the vaulted ceiling fell. Thankfully, many of the priceless artifacts and artworks were saved, but the structural damage was severe. In the aftermath of the fire, French President Emmanuel Macron made a bold promise. Notre Dame would be restored within 5 years. This ambitious timeline set the stage for one of the most complex and challenging restoration projects in history. The restoration team faced numerous obstacles. The first challenge was to stabilize the structure and prevent further collapse. This involved carefully removing debris, reinforcing weakened walls, and constructing temporary supports. The team also had to deal with lead contamination from the melted roof, requiring extensive decontamination efforts. To meet the ambitious timeline, the restoration project has employed cutting-edge technologies and innovative techniques. Three-dimensional scans and computer models have been used to precisely map the cathedral's structure. If you're interested in using similar precision tools for your own projects, check out the Tadado dual laser measuring tool in the link in the description for the best price available. Robots have been deployed to assist in dangerous areas, and specialized cranes have been constructed to reach the cathedral's highest points. One of the most fascinating aspects of the restoration has been the use of medieval techniques alongside modern technology. Master craftsmen have been working with traditional tools and methods to recreate intricate stonework and wood carvings, ensuring that the restored elements remain true to the cathedral's original design. As of now, significant progress has been made. The damaged vaults have been reinforced and work on reconstructing the spire has begun. Skilled artisans have been meticulously cleaning and restoring the cathedral's famous stained glass windows, many of which survived the fire. While the original 5-year timeline has proven to be overly optimistic, the cathedral is expected to reopen to the public in 2024, with some restoration work continuing beyond that date. When completed, visitors will once again be able to marvel at the grandeur of Notre Dame, with its restored spire reaching towards the Parisian sky. The rebirth of Notre Dame is more than just a construction project. It represents the resilience of human culture and the power of collective effort. This painstaking restoration ensures that future generations will be able to experience the awe-inspiring beauty and rich history of one of the world's most beloved landmarks. As Notre Dame rises again, it stands as a testament to our ability to preserve and renew our shared cultural heritage, even in the face of devastating loss. Thank you for watching. If you found this story about the restoration of Notre Dame inspiring, be sure to subscribe to Answers Crib for more amazing content about history, culture, and technological marvels. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and comment below with your thoughts on the restoration process or any other historical events you'd like us to explore. Your feedback helps us bring you more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.